Welcome back to Nifty Network. Today we have a G35 Coupe in, and I'm going to show you how to remove your airbag. This is also the same for G35 sedan, so let's get to it. First things first is we're going to undo the battery. I always like to do it. It's kind of just like a safety thing. Just always make sure the battery's undone. It's a 10 for the ground, so obviously lefty-loosey. Get that loosened up. Give that a little twist, and also when you pull the battery off, make sure to push the terminal out because those wires kind of have a memory to them. They'll want to pop back up and set on there. I've had that happen, so just kind of push it out of the way, and we'll get to the positive right now. And same thing, once it's loose, just give it a little wiggle, pop that up, and pop that over. If it doesn't want to stay, I'll take the battery cover and I'll set it like that just so that it doesn't set back on the positive. Okay, so to remove the airbag, I turned the steering wheel to the right a little bit, and that's just for viewing purposes on this right here, but the steering wheel did lock. So get a flathead, and there's a little beauty trim cover right here that pops out very easily, and you're gonna have another, oh wow, and of course this one is very rare to see. You're either normally gonna have a T27 safety Torx or a T30. Let me grab the right one of that, and I'll show you what that tool looks like too. All right, so we ended up getting the safety Torx bit out of this. So you have to remove this safety Torx, or whatever you want to call this. I don't know the specific name of this bolt, but they're extremely rare to be on here. So this kit that I have is called a M6 Airbag Anti-Theft Bolt Master Key Set Service Tool. The 166 one actually lined up with this one really good. So you'll see that it'll set in there like that. We're able to get that out, but the likelihood of you running into this bolt is extremely rare. I've dealt with hundreds of these cars and I've never ran into one before. So I'll show you we got the one on this side. If you go directly across from it, there's going to be one on the bottom. This is a T30 safety Torx. So this is more common for what should be on the car. T30 safety Torx is because it has the hole in the center. So I'm going to get this out, and then I'll show you what this one looks like in comparison to the other one. Alright, so the normal one that you're going to run into is here on the left side. That's a safety Torx T30 on this side. Check it out, pop that little cover off, see if yours has it. Put those on the ground, and then when you have both of those safety bolts out, just slide your airbag straight forward. Don't pull too hard because there's things connected. We're going to rotate the airbag over. We're going to grab a pick, and there's these black, the black clips, or I don't even know what to call these. These are airbag plugs, but the black part on this, if you go on the back side, there's a little divot. Just slide it back in there, and this will release. And pop that off. Same thing right here. Slide it up there, and then come on this side and do that. And there you go. That is how you remove a airbag on a G35 Coupe or G35 sedan.